Hey Ben, it's Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We had spoken on the phone the other day, and I had promised you that I would stop sending you emails as soon as you requested it. But first, I wanted to shoot you over this little video of me comparing your website to other competitors within your area. So the first thing I do is I went ahead and Googled HVAC companies in East Dallas. And this top section right here is the sponsored section, meaning these are the ads. So these people are all paying for ads. This is the Google Map Pack. If you're not part of that, we would want to go ahead and add you to that. And this section down here is the organic section. So this is essentially like where the ranking begins. Obviously, the first one is Yelp, which is a directory link. Willard AC Expertise is a directory link, Blue Book's directory link. So throughout the duration of this video, I just wanted to go ahead and compare you to one of these top ones, so I chose Cody & Sons. So first thing that I'm going to do, we're going to cover a couple of topics for free, like for you to incorporate on your own, onto your own website. But the first thing we're going to talk about is the content on your websites. So content is any verbiage that is throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the home page. So what I do is I go ahead and I take all of this content and I'm going to copy and paste it into my word counter. And we have about 847 words on Cody & Sons home page. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for you. And you have about 441 words. Google actually recommends you having about 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. Reason being is that these all provide 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for Google to pull up keyword phrases from your website specifically. So that all provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for you to come up in searches. I'm going to get into keywords in just a second, but what a keyword is essentially the phrase that people put into Google. So HVAC companies in East Dallas, Texas is a keyword. But we want to choose keywords with the highest search volume, and we want to put those into your content. So second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of your websites and I put them into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditor. So I put this in here, and as you can see, with them paying, this isn't 100% correct, but with them paying $0 per month, they're getting about 23.4K worth of traffic volume per month to their website alone. So they're not paying for any ads. This is specifically off of the SEO and their website alone. We're going to take a look at their organic keywords as mentioned. So things like heating installation, let's see another one, plumber gas line repair, expert plumbing and heating. So those are all, for example, you can see heating installation has, and this one, heating and air conditioning repair near me, has a very high search volume, but those are nationwide keywords. What this means is that these aren't local, so they're not going to bring in buyer intent customers. Someone in Houston, or should I say like in Oregon or something, could Google this and it might bring up this website, but is that going to bring you in a buyer intent customer? Not really. I mean, unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon, it's not really beneficial to you and it's not going to make you money. We want things with like a location attached, air conditioning repair Dallas, water heater repair Dallas, as long as, I think it's really important to capture all of those small surrounding towns to bring you in that business as well. So let's go ahead and look at what your organic keywords are. Texas heat and air. A lot of these are nationwide, it looks like. Heat pumps in Texas, heat pump in Texas. So it looks like you really just focused on Texas, whereas your area specifically, we could incorporate those in about 1,500 more words of content and bring you in so much more business. I really feel like that would be extremely beneficial to you. It looks like there's a lot we're missing on those local keywords. So the third thing that I'm going to talk about are backlinks. So as you can see right here, it says 941 backlinks. Now, what is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 941 times, which means that this is 941 more opportunities for this website to be seen. So if we look at yours is linked about 106 times. Not all backlinks are created equal. You don't have to have a higher number to outrank them. You just have to have stronger powered backlinks. So that's what we focus on, is getting like the higher powered, really strong backlinks. Anyways, Ben, I hope this was informative to you. You can feel free to incorporate these on your own, or also, of course, reach out to me for more information. I'd love to help you. And yeah, all my contact information will be in the email provided. So have a great day. Thanks.